vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Still nag-aantay pa rin kami. Dito kami sa terminal. Nag-aantay pa rin kami ng flight. Mukhang delay.
No, it's not delayed naman guys. Maaga lang kami. Masyado. Mas maganda ng maaga. And we're going to... Taran! Secret for now. Later, we'll tell you. We'll update you again later po. Hey guys, so we already enter the border. And I'm gonna show you guys inside the airport. Yeah, I don't know kung naririnig nyo ha, but then we're gonna fly through Fly Dubai and halo na mamalat yung ilong ko. So yeah, still with Neil, just an update and hindi siya naiwan. So yes po. Yeah, so that's the update for today, and later maybe like around few minutes we're gonna go inside the plane and yeah, fly, going to wherever we want to go. Yoo-hoo. May takot po. Guys, takot po si Mio.
Ito na yung bag. Ito yung kabilisin. Nagkinahan sila kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we soon be landing in Yerevan, please make sure to switch off.
Touchdown, Yerevan! Hi!
Hi!
Yeah, we're already here in Armenia and it's only 3 hours. And yeah. Sobrang tahimik guys ang airport nyo. Maliit lang siya. There. So we're gonna check if we need to take a taxi or if we're going to rent a car. Papunta doon sa hotel na pag-check-in na namin. So we'll update you later. Hey, we passed the immigration!
Yes!
Game. Hindi pa nakabidyo. Ang nitin mo.
36,000?
Yeah.
How can I count this?
We don't know.
It's 10,000.
I see. 10,000 is equivalent of how many dirham in dirham? 10.
Probably 250.
Oh.
Probably.
Okay, so yeah, we're just amazed guys. So we changed our money here and we have this much. For us, it's already big amount, so look at her face. diwain mo ng Ararat. Ayan, beb. Oh! So, yun na nga po guys, yung kwento po ng trip namin dito. From the start po, kikwento namin sa inyo habang naglalakad kami. So, we are currently here at Yerevan po. And then, yeah, nakahanap na po kami ng apartment namin. For the meantime, we took 1 day of stay there, and ang kwento kasi niyan guys is that from the airport naka-experience kami ng bad guys, which is the taxi driver. So they've told us na they're gonna use the meter, so they used naman po, but then we paid for 35,000 Armenian money something. So na-scam po kami doon, and then from the hotel naman po na pinagbukan namin, which we should stay there for 3 days. I think 4 days po. Ang nangyari naman po, when we reached the place, they've told us na hindi daw po available yung room. So, right there and then po, wala ka talaga kaming natuluyan. And then, pinapunta nila kami doon sinamahan nila kami doon sa isang, parang, place pa rin nila. It looks like a boarding house in the Philippines and in Dubai. But then, hindi namin nagustuhan kasi para siyang haunted and under construction pa. It's just right this way. Mapakita ko po sa inyo. Kasi yung place na kapag pabook kami before was right there. So, you're just going to pass by there. I mean, you're just going to walk there. And then, eto po yun. Dito po talaga siya. So, parang haunted siya. So, yun po. From airport, coming here, na-scam kami, wala kaming natuluyan. And then, while we're walking po, we just found out that, kasi talagang uhaw na kami, so, we just bought water in the supermarket, and then, right in front of the supermarket, meron pong, alhamdulillah, meron pong, hostel. So, nakuha po namin siya mura. We've tried for 1 day. In dirham, it's just 80 dirham. And here is 8,000 Armenian money. Paano ba yung money nila? Drum, something like that. So, yeah. It is currently 5:25 in the afternoon, and we're just going to walk around. We'll try some Armenian food delicacies na pwede naming makain. And yeah, we're just gonna walk para makita din namin yung ibang places po dito na magaganda.
Ayan siya, actually.
So yeah, actually, eto po yung hotel kanina, yung hostel na pinapaakyat sa amin. See, sobrang dilim po niya. Ayan po. My goodness guys, from here till there, 5th floor po. 5th floor po. Inakyat po namin siya. Kasi they don't have lift.
Okay.
So, yeah, we tried this kanina pero sarado. So, yun na nga po. Talagang nakakapagod po. Ang dami namin pinagdaanan, but then, thank you Lord kasi, you know what guys? Yeah, there's a scammer or anything like manloloko sa iba't ibang places. But then, alam nyo guys, isang pong na-notice ko sa mga tao dito is, yung mga lalaki po, mga gentleman po sila. And, matulungin po sila. So, kasi kanina, dito tayo galing, bebe. Or saan mo gustong pumunta?
I don't know.
Here. So, yeah, eto na po. Though, guys, maganda naman po ang Armenia. Looks like in the Philippines lang. So, ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa. Kasi, nasashock pa ako sa nangyari sa akin.
Sa taxi.
Kasi
Okay.
yung binayad namin,
35.
malaking bagay na yun eh. Gastusin na namin yun the whole
The whole
stay
day,
namin dito.
2 or 3 days, I think.
No, more than.
Kasi tipid naman kami.
More than.
Gusto mo ano? Not sure kung sa ibang part ng Armenia is ganito, pero dito po sa Yerevan, malalakas po sila magpatugtog. Like, for example, nagda-drive ka,
Driving.
ang lalakas po nila magpatugtog. But then sa UAE, which is alam natin na bawal po yun, diba?
Call time 27.
27, yeah.
27.
What time is your check-in?
Check in at 2.
Guys, nakahanap na kami ng hotel. Good Hotel. Ayun po siya. Behind me. Ayun. Good Hotel. So yeah, tomorrow po doon na kami. Yay! They have a bus here, guys.
At ang scooter. Pwede sa highway.
And scooter as well. Ha! Oh, tingnan mo katulad nito, naka-go, pero my God, kaliwa siya, my God.
Sarap. Halika na kat may iinom. Pakilit ko si Kuya. Ako din. Malinis kaya yan.
Oh, try! Yes. Nice. Lamig na.
Oo, lamig. Bakit ganon? Let's go.
Lamig, sarap. Oh, murong siya. Buti wala nakahablot dito ng phone, but check ko lang yung map.
Ano?
Yo, another day, another vlog!
Yo, another vlog. Another vlog. Another day, another vlog. Okay, papunta tayo sa museum ngayon.
And,
Ayun na nga. And turistang-turista kami, guys.
yes! Kala mo hindi naka-partition sa Dubai.
Hoy, partition natin, malaki naman yon. So, ayun na nga. Okay. Ganda. Mayaman nga pala sila sa tubig. Mayaman sila sa water.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. We are currently here in Cascade. And Yeah, this is also a park which is free. Kaya inuna namin siya kasi free and it's already late na rin in the afternoon. Kaya ito na lang yung pinuntahan namin. And
Aakit tayo sa taas.
akitin natin yan.
Of course.
Wala bang lift?
Arte.
Guys, I don't know kung makakit namin yan. Ganap ako ng lift eh. Hala. You sure?
Huwag kang, tara, akit tayo.
There's a restaurant also over here. Kaya pag napagod kayo umakyat, pwede kayo kumain, guys.
Tignan natin sa baba.
Let's see what's down there. Oh. You wanna go down? Guys, it's so amazing. Ang yaman nila sa water. Yun po. Medyo madumi lang. We're done here. We're gonna start going up na po. Oh. Are you ready to go up?
Yes. 100%.
Guys, masarap po yung weather niya dito. Unlike Dubai. Kasi before akala namin na mainit siya. But then, presko po siya. So, before kasi kami dumating dito, nag-check kami ng weather. Sunny po siya pero may time na cloudy din siya. So, hinihingal ako. Check muna natin doon. Check muna natin doon, oh. Kasi hinihingal ako. Ang ganda dito mag-picture, oh. Oh, diba? Sobrang hangin. So yeah, it looks like museum, guys. Can go inside also.
Escalator. Escalator.
Ah, guys, they have escalator. Yeah. I'll show you around, guys. When you go inside, it's just like a theater. Like you can see some arts. Yeah. There you go. And there is escalator. Mag-escalator na nga lang tayo. Yeah. So, yeah. So, why do we have to suffer a lot bago natin nalaman na may escalator pala? Sayang tuloy yung sayang yung hair ko. Yeah, so, yeah. Here. O, diba? May iba. Yan yung hair. Yeah. There's something inside. Something like this. Ganun lang. Yeah, ganun lang yung loob. Mga simpleng bagay. And we have to reach the top, right? Yeah. Goal po namin is ma-reach namin yung top. So, let's see. Oh! Look at this. Silver car. Yeah, and this is what you can see outside. Yeah. The normal one. That's what you can see earlier sa videos. Okay, Let's go on. Guys, medyo nakakapagod but then sulit naman kasi first time kaya sulit. And nakaka-amaze lang. Nakaka-amaze kasi free. Tama. So, this is the top. No, I think there's another one. There's another one. Yeah, but then dito may mga water na dito. There you go. There. So, yes. Mas maganda to sa taas.
Meron pa sa mas mataas.
Kaya no.
Yun na siguro yun.
You should go there.
No? Tara.
Tapos din tayo mag-picture sa taas. No?
So, guys.
So,
guys, ayun na nga. Na-reach na namin yung tuktok.
ng Alapaap. Hello! Mahangin po. So, yun na nga po. Na-reach na namin yung peak ng Cascade. And, yeah, we're so happy kasi nakapagsimba na po kami. And napuntahan na namin to. Kahit na pagod kami and then we just came here. So, yeah, let's see tomorrow what will be the update for the Armenia vlog. And I'll check the history of all of this, guys, kasi medyo hindi ko siya na-search. So, yeah, we're so happy po for today. We're just gonna go and try to find
Another one
or a resto para kumain. Yeah. So, let's see. Bye-bye for now.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, so we're gonna go down now. We're starting to go down, and it's already 7:30 in the evening here. But then, as you can see, maliwanag pa po. Yeah, magsa-sunrise pa lang po. So, yes. Sunset. Sunset, I mean.
Game na ha?
Dapat stolen. Tama na.
Napagod man po.
Ako din. Ay, tsura ko.
Bus ko.
Dito ba talaga tayo nag-videohan, Beb?
Parang ang sakit ng ganyan sasakyan.
Guys, it is currently 8:30 in the evening and nandito pa rin po kami. Ano nga ba yung tapat na yan?
CEO Jeter.
Opera. Yeah, and we are literally here in front of the opera. I'm
Branch
gonna show.
Square.
Branch Square?
Hindi. Opera.
Opera, alam ko, opera. Yeah, of the
Yeah,
opera. And I'll show you where we are. Actually, dun kami nanggaling kayo sa Cascade. Bumaba na kami. And nandito po kami nakaupo. Literally, dito lang sa may gilid ng kalsada. And that's the roundabout. And that's the roundabout. And then that's the opera. So, yeah. Pagod na po kami.
Isa pa lang yung napuntahan namin. Ba't yung bangs ko?
Kaya, we just try to kasi sobra pong mahal ng taxi. Nadala po kami sa taxi. Guys, I just noticed something. If you can see that car, sobrang bawal po yan in the bus, right over there. Sobrang bawal po yan sa Dubai. What my comment here is, I just noticed po na regarding sa kalsada, regarding the traffic rules and everything, they don't have the discipline. Even if we're just crossing to the pedestrian, they don't have the discipline to, you know, to stop and let the people go first. Kasi yun talaga yung pinakang na-notice ko. And even though naka-green yung light para mag-pass ba yung mga tao, the fact of them talaga na talagang mag-cross pa talaga yung mga motorists, guys. Sobrang walang disiplina. Yun lang po yung ayoko dito. First day, half day, I really noticed that. So, I think the government of Armenian people should change that. I'm sorry to say this, but that's the real thing, guys. I'm so sorry. Kung i-compare mo sa Dubai, really, Dubai is the best. Look at this. Yeah, look at this, guys. Yeah, that one. See?
Ganda ng sakyan o taxi?
Taxi yan, guys. Nakikita nyo ba yung taxi yan? Yes, taxi po yan. Pero hindi yan ang gusto ko sa inyo ipakita. What I mean is, see, yung black na ano, o sige. Tingnan mo, ano nyo po sila, o diba? Na-notice nyo po sila. Hello! May mga traffic po, may mga nagko-cross. But then, sobra po silang tuloy-tuloy lang. Anyway, sorry for my comment po. Pero I'm just saying my opinion lang naman po, 'di ba? I'm so sorry for this. So, yeah. Nandito lang po kami sa gitna. This is their opera here. So, we just took a picture kasi I think they have entrance fee for this. Guys, ang sarap dito. Ang sarap po. Umaambon. Sarap niya mahangin. Sabi kami sa lamig. Ito po, oh. Sarap.
Yung wire na yan pala, yung electric na bus.
Ah.
Yan yun. I think umulan. Hindi tayo makakapunta ng fountain. Next time na lang yung fountain. Para siyang
Park din siya. Ah, no. Karugtong siya ng ano, behind the opera. Let's just go there. Pass by tayo. Teko. Buti no kung saan-saan tayo napunta.
Over there.
Oh. Yeah, so Bab, here's the opera. This video is for Bab.
And you know what? There's a lot of restaurant here.
Hmm. Grabe, no? Late na pero parang alam mo ganito din daw ka Irma eh. No oras na pero maliwanag pa. Sa Rizal. Bab, si Jose Rizal, Bab. Jose Rizal. Ito. Game. Game 1, 2, 3. Wait yung game. 1, 2, 3, go. Yee! Yee! Guys, naulan na po.
Doon tayo.
Naulan na po. Meron ditong ano, anong tawag dyan? Pool? Basta may ganito po dito. Lake? I don't know. Basta ganito po. May KFC. May KFC po. Ayun o. Toink. May pizza din. Oo. Ha, lumalakas yung bun. Ulan na. Doon tayo. Tawid tayo doon.